How to develop an Android app. Android development is all the hype these days as it continues to dominate all the world of mobile development. Fun projects, great pay, and tons of job prospects are just some of the reasons developers are starting their journeys into the exciting world of the Android operating system. Some experts say that there has never been a better time to learn Android skills, especially since the recent updates like the addition of Cortland and improvement to Google's policies. Today, we will walk you through all the basics of Android development and even show you how to build your own functioning application. So, firstly, what is an Android? Android is one of the world's most popular operating system for everything from 5G mobile devices to mobile apps to touchscreen smartphones and tablets. This open source, Linux-based software is used by Google to power over 2.5 billion devices worldwide, accounting for over 80% of smartphone sales. Getting started as an Android developer is easier than you might think. You will need to master some basic skills and tools, such as programming language skills like Java, Kotlin, and Groovy, XML, Android build system, Android Studio, IDE. Programming language skills. There are three programming languages and one markup language used in Android development. Java is the official language for Android development and one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Java classes run on Android runtime, a specialized virtual machine. Take a look at this example from the Android minactivity.java file. So then there is Cortland. It has been the second official language for Android development since 2017. Known for being much more concise and expressive, Cortland, it's helped elevate some of the Java's drawbacks. Here is an example of above code in Cortland as you can compare. Here it is. This. Now, XML is a markup language and is commonly used in Android development to declare a layout for user interface, dimensions, and strings. Take a look at this example of a layout that shows text in the middle of user screen. This. All right. Android build system. Gradle powers to the Android build automation system and expands upon the concepts of Apache Apache and expands upon the concepts of Apache Maven and Apache and by introducing a Groovy-based domain-specific language. Groovy is an optionally typed dynamic language with static typing capabilities. It helps improve productivity and speed by integrating with your Java-based program. With Groovy's ease and Gradle's mature ecosystem, you can automate your software and deliver much faster builds. Android Studio IDE. The Android Studio IDE is your new best friend for Android development. Based on Intelligent IDEA, it's the official development environment for Google's operating system. It comes with great Android specific tooling to cover all your needs. Using this IDE will accelerate your development time and frequent updates mean you will never fall behind. It comes loaded with the following features amongst many others: real-time profilers and an analyzer, flexible build system, intelligent code editor, visual layout editor, fast emulator. Android SDK. The Android SDK is the official development kit for Android app development. It's composed of modular packages that can be separately downloaded from the Android SDK manager, including SDK tool, Google API, Android Support, Android Debug Bridge, and more. Just like IDE, the Android SDK is always being updated. New releases will keep you up to date with the latest features. So, when it comes to creating Android apps, your knowledge of Java is paramount to your success. Java is the official language for developing Android application and it supports all of the Android tools. Knowledge of this language will make your dev experience much easier. Java was chosen for Android development because it's well known, well supported by development tools and already pervasive in the mobile phones industry. On top of that, Java runs in a VM, so it doesn't need to be recompiled. That's all. Thank you so much.